In a world where technology whispers the promise of endless possibilities, a new dawn arises, unveiling a phenomenon that is as mesmerizing as it is unsettling: emotional AI. Imagine machines that not only understand our commands, but also perceive the nuances of our emotions, a silent revolution unfolding right before our eyes. This isn't just innovation, it's a profound transformation of our relationship with technology, where the boundaries between humans and machines blur like never before. But as we stand on the brink of this unseen revolution, a question lingers in the air, heavy with implications. At what cost does this understanding come? Privacy, the sacred garden of our innermost thoughts and feelings, is now under the watchful gaze of algorithms that learn, adapt, and most unnervingly feel. As we embark on this journey through the uncharted territories of emotional AI, we're forced to confront the ethical tempest it brings in its wake. How do we navigate this brave new world where our emotions are no longer our own, but data points to be analyzed, interpreted, and acted upon? We delve deep into the heart of this revolution, exploring the ripple effects of emotional AI on privacy, ethics, and the very fabric of human connection. Welcome to the Cause Effect channel. Join us as we uncover the unseen, provoke thought, and question the price of progress. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if machines could understand and respond to our emotions? This is the dawn of emotional AI, a cutting-edge technology that is not only transforming our interactions with machines but also reshaping our world. In its simplest form, emotional AI, also known as emotional artificial intelligence or effective computing, is about creating systems and devices that can recognize, interpret, process, and simulate human emotions. It's like teaching a machine to feel and respond to our feelings, which was once the stuff of science fiction, but today it's becoming a reality. We are stepping into a world where your virtual assistant can detect your mood from your voice and respond accordingly, or an educational software that adapts its teaching method based on the learner's emotional state. Think of a healthcare robot that can provide emotional support to patients. This is the transformative potential that emotional AI promises. But it's not just about making our interactions with machines more human-like. Emotional AI has far-reaching implications for various sectors. In healthcare, it can be used to monitor patients' mental health or provide personalized care. In education, it can help create adaptive learning environments that respond to each student's emotional needs. Also in customer service, it can enable businesses to deliver more empathetic and responsive services. However, as with any powerful technology, emotional AI also raises profound questions about the future of human-machine interaction. As machines become more emotionally intelligent, what will this mean for our relationships with them? Will they truly understand our emotions, or will they just simulate them? And what about the ethical implications of machines that can read and respond to our innermost feelings? As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to understand the transformative potential of emotional AI. It's not just about technology, it's about a new way of interacting with the world around us. It's about harnessing the power of emotions in ways that were once unimaginable. And above all, it's about the promise and the challenges of a future where machines don't just process data, but also emotions. We are gradually transitioning into a world where machines not only understand and respond to our emotions, but also shape our society and economy. This is the transformative impact of emotional AI, a phenomenon that's reshaping our world in ways we're only beginning to comprehend. Let's explore this fascinating journey together, shall we? Emotional AI's empathetic touch is making far-reaching changes in patient care. Machines powered by emotional AI are now capable of detecting subtle shifts in a patient's mood, offering comfort and companionship in ways we once thought were uniquely human. The result? A more compassionate, more human healthcare experience, even when the care provider is not a human. In the realm of commerce, businesses are harnessing emotional AI to deliver unprecedented levels of personalized service. Imagine walking into a store where the AI assistant knows your preferences, your mood, and tailors your shopping experience accordingly. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's rapidly becoming a reality. And what about our personal relationships? Emotional AI is finding its way into our homes, with AI-powered personal assistants becoming more perceptive, more emotionally intelligent. They're transforming from mere tools into companions that can understand and respond to our emotional states, leading to deeper human-machine bonds. However, with these advancements come potential pitfalls. As machines grow more emotionally intelligent, questions about privacy and consent arise. Who owns our emotional data? And who ensures it's used ethically? The power of emotional AI is immense, but so is the responsibility that comes with it. In the larger societal context, this technology has the potential to reshape norms, influencing how we interact with each other and with machines. It's a new frontier, one that holds immense promise and challenges in equal measure. So as we stand at the precipice of this new era, we must navigate this transformative journey with thoughtfulness and caution. The ripple effects of emotional AI are far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives. The future is here, and it's emotionally intelligent. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we navigate the ethical implications of emotional AI? As we delve deeper into this digital era, our ethical compass must evolve alongside technological advancements. Emotional AI, with its ability to understand, interpret, and respond to human emotions, presents an ethical horizon that we must carefully navigate. Firstly, let's talk about privacy. Emotional AI has the potential to dissect our emotional states, to know us better than we know ourselves. But should it? What happens when our feelings, once a private domain, become data points to be analyzed and interpreted? Where do we draw the line between helpful personalization and invasive surveillance? These are not just questions for the future. They are pressing matters as emotional AI continues to integrate into our daily lives. Next, we need to address the elephant in the room: consent. At what point does our interaction with emotional AI imply consent for our emotions to be analyzed? Do we need to redefine consent in this new age of emotional computing? Let's also consider the implications for human empathy. If machines can understand and respond to our emotions, what does that mean for our human capacity to empathize? Will we become more empathetic as we have AI models to guide us? Or will we lose touch with our innate ability to connect with one another on a deep emotional level? These questions are not easy to answer. They spark debates among ethicists, technologists, and policymakers. Some argue that emotional AI can lead to a more empathetic society, where machines can help us understand and manage our emotions better. Others caution against the potential for manipulation and misuse of our emotional data. But amidst these debates, there's a silver lining. These discussions are paving the way towards ethical guidelines for the use of emotional AI. We're seeing a push for transparency, where users have the right to know when and how their emotional data is being used. There's also a call for accountability, where developers and companies are held responsible for the ethical use of emotional AI. Moreover, the dialogue around emotional AI is not confined to boardrooms and tech conferences. It's a conversation that needs to happen across society. We all need to be part of this discussion, whether we're tech enthusiasts, policymakers, or everyday users. The ethical challenges posed by this technology are complex, but they are not insurmountable. They require our collective engagement and thoughtful discourse. As we move forward, let's remember that the power of emotional AI lies not just in its technological prowess, but also in our ability to wield it responsibly. The ethical horizon is vast and uncharted, but with thoughtful navigation we can ensure that emotional AI serves us and not the other way around. As we grapple with the transformative potential of emotional AI, it's clear that the path forward is not just about technology, but also about us, the humans behind the machines. We've traversed a riveting journey through the world of emotional AI, its groundbreaking applications, and the profound effect it's having on our society, economy, and the ethical frameworks that guide us. This technology, like a ripple in a pond, is creating waves that reach far and wide, touching every corner of our lives, from how we learn and work to how we interact and understand each other. The promise of emotional AI is immense. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, creating empathetic chatbots that can provide comfort and assistance when humans can't. It can transform customer service, creating AI that can understand and respond to our emotions, making our interactions more personal and satisfying. It can reshape education, with AI tutors that can adapt to a student's emotional state, making learning more engaging and effective. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must also acknowledge and navigate the challenges that emotional AI presents. The ethical implications are vast and complex. Issues of privacy and consent loom large. Should AI have access to our most intimate emotions? What are the implications for human empathy if we start outsourcing emotional labor to machines? These are profound questions that require thoughtful deliberation and robust dialogue. And this is where you come into the picture. You, as individuals and as a collective, have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of emotional AI. Your curiosity, your questions, your voice can help steer the development and application of this technology in a direction that aligns with our shared values and aspirations. It's time to join the conversation, engage with experts, policymakers, and fellow citizens. Advocate for transparency, accountability, and ethical guidelines in the development and use of emotional AI. Call on tech companies to prioritize privacy and consent, to build systems that respect our emotional data and use it responsibly. Education is a powerful tool. Stay informed about the latest developments in emotional AI. Understand how it works, its benefits and its challenges. Use this knowledge to make informed decisions and to hold those in power accountable. And remember, while emotional AI is an extraordinary tool, it's just that, a tool. It's up to us, the humans behind the machines, to ensure that it's used in a way that respects our rights, enhances our lives, and contributes to a more empathetic and understanding society. The future of emotional AI is in our hands. Stay informed, engage in discussions, and help shape a future where emotional AI serves humanity ethically and responsibly. In our journey through the world of emotional AI, we've explored its transformative potential, from revolutionizing healthcare and customer service to reshaping education. We've delved into the ethical implications, grappling with complex issues of privacy, consent, and human empathy. We've discussed the importance of staying informed, of engaging in robust dialogue, and of advocating for ethical guidelines in the development and use of this groundbreaking technology. If you found this video informative and engaging, give it a thumbs up. This helps us reach a wider audience and spread awareness about important topics like this one. We'd love to hear your thoughts on emotional AI. Do you see more benefits or challenges? How do you think it should be regulated? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Knowledge is power, so let's share this power with others. Share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. Let's get more people involved in this important conversation. The more voices we have, the better we can shape the future of emotional AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the future of emotional AI is in our hands. Let's shape it together. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.